So one of the things that you can do in VLC Media Player is convert out media files as you need as well. So to do that, you need to go to the media menu and then go to convert and save. Then what you can do is select out a file that you want to convert. So over here in file, I'm going to go ahead and click on add, let's say for example. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here onto my desktop where I have this particular video file, as you can see right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, all I need to do is click on convert and save right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto convert, choose that because I want to convert the video right there, and then I can go ahead and choose a destination folder. So I'm just going to go around and choose desktop itself right here, just like this. So now in the profile, you can go ahead and select out different things, like you can just extract out the audio, video for compatible devices, and so forth right here. So let's say I'm going to go for video OGG format right here, just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and save it out as .ogg. So this is what you have to do right here, and then press on save. Now what you simply need to do is click on start, and then what happens is that it'll go ahead and convert out the video, and you can see the progress of the video conversion right here, just like this. So you need to wait for a while. And once that is done, over here in your desktop, you can see the converted video right here because I chose the desktop as the location as OGG. So that is how you can go ahead and convert out media files as you need inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.